Hey guys, Alexi Balian here. Quickly, I'm gonna show you how to use, in which format to use the Ultimate Bony rig here. First off, here it is. It's a really cool rig, and it has some really cool stuff here. Like you can see the layers of, if you just want to use the bottom, we can do that, but that's not what I'm recording today. What I want to do is show you, for us doing the action pose sequence, what I want you guys to do, I don't want you to work in forward kinematics. For example, if I'm going to do a punch right now, if I rotate this guy here, I'm going to lose my patience here. Like, look, I have to come over here, turn this way to get, maybe work on the wrist and so on and so on. For example, like that, press E, and who knows what I'm doing right now. So what I'm saying is I don't want you guys to work in forward. I don't want the shoulder to be the parent. I want the wrist to be the parent. Here's the reason. You see this little triangle here? It says switch IK to FK. So it's at 1. So I'm guessing, let me do 0 here. Notice immediately we've lost those controllers here. Awesome. Same over here. On the red side, switch to 0. Okay? And all I did is a middle scroll sideways and it did it for me. Awesome. So like if I'm doing the initial punch pose, for example, really quickly, I'm just going to slide the foot back. I'm going to rotate the hip a bit. E here like this. Okay, I'm going to have this foot forward, obviously. W. Okay, make sure this is balanced, and right now it's not. And so look at the easiness of the simplicity of it. So what do we select? Let's see. W. Nope. Okay. This. Nope. There's nothing here, so that's not what we select. Now, do I select the rectangle, the square here? There's no W here. What's happening? Where's my controller here? Oh, hang on. Right here. Okay, so here we go. So the big palm right here, it looks like the mitt. Let me see what I could do with this. Okay, so here it is, both hands. I'm looking here. What is it showing me? Translate, rotate, scale. Sweet. Okay, so if that's the case, now I can press W, and I'm going to bring this over here. Rotate it E, like that. Rotate toward this side. And look what I'm doing. I'm going to bring this forward to where possible, this way here. And what I'll do is also get the elbow controllers right here. Bring the elbow down. Okay, so technically right around here, just quickly. And then I'm going to select, you can see this one doesn't have the wrist control the way I want it, but it's good enough. E, I'll rotate the hand this way, and I'm going to bring it into a fist. Okay, so I'm going to really zoom in, and I'm going to press Q, for example, really quickly here, and I'll just marquee all these guys. And I'm going to press E, and I'll bring it forward. Oh, there's something not right here. Why is that? It means I may have selected more than those handles there. There. Should that work? Yes. See that? Cool. Because I'm in Q right now, okay? So I have Q on again. No, I don't. I have rotate. So watch. This is Q, is select, right? Hold shift. 1, 2, 3. No icons here. Now I'm going to press E, and I'm going to bring this in like that, okay? So you see how easy that is, for example? Another thing, I'm going to show you guys again. I know you haven't watched this. I wish you did. I want to make an all selection, okay? So we're going to go down here. This little area here. I've got less than 4 minutes. Okay, this is the script editor. Again, look over here, the little parentheses over here. And I'm just going to hit the eraser button, and then I'm going to select everything here. Okay, so what Maya just did, selected all the controllers, okay? And I'm just going to middle scroll down, and I'm just going to bring it over here really quickly. I've shown you this before, but for some reason you guys aren't watching it. So, it's there. Click. If I click on it, so if I click out and I press S, everything there is selected, okay? So what do I do with this? I can go Edit, check it out, Edit, and I go to Shells, okay? And under icon label, I'm going to type in All. And it's Bony ring, B underscore all. Usually not too many letters will show, so save to shells. So that's Bony all, right? So for example, if I was happy here, instead of doing the marquee selection, I'm just going to click here. See, S. So if the last frame is the same, let's go to 25 for example, and you know it's not perfect right now. So I'm here, I'm pressing all. I can middle scroll down all the way here, press S. Beginning and end will be the same. Or you can go all again, and just click here and go copy, and then you can come to the end here and you would hit paste. So the beginning and end of our action punch sequence would be the same. Okay, so it's somewhere here for example. Come on. Oh no, don't crash. It's okay if it crashes. No worries. There's a new update for 2018, update 3, I think. So I'll do that for now. I think this is good enough. I hope this makes sense to you guys. Remember to work in IK. I want the wrist to be the parent and everything else to be a child, not the shoulder to be the parent. Okay, Balian out. I better get out of here. This is crashing, baby. See ya.